Hey, welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Before we get started today, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, and if you like really cool car content or truck content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Today, I've got a beautiful 1986 Chevrolet C10 Silverado. This truck is absolutely beautiful, guys. I don't even know if the video is gonna do it any justice. This paint looks fantastic. It's miles deep, has a brilliant shine to it. Absolutely beautiful truck. As we start up front here, you got a really nice brand new chrome bumper, brand new grille. One thing that I do want to mention is this truck has been through a frame up restoration, so everything that you're seeing is brand new or has been restored. As we work our way down the side here, your fender, all your turn signal lenses there is in excellent condition. Your Silverado badging looks brand new. You've got a 20-inch American Racing torque thrust wheel there. You do have disc brakes up front. Even the chrome trim running down the truck is brand new and looks absolutely amazing. All your weather stripping around the glass of the windshield here is in great condition. Same with your wing window, looks like a brand new wing window, brand new weather stripping. The mirror's awesome condition. As we look around the door here, all your gaps are nice and even all the way down. Just absolutely an amazing truck. Whoever did the restoration on this truck did an excellent job. And like I said, I don't even know if the video is doing this truck any justice because it's just absolutely beautiful. If Justin will come around, you can even see that it even has a brand new third or cargo light. That would not be a brake light, but that is a cargo light. The weather stripping around the back window is in excellent condition. You do get the trim piece here around the back side of the cab. Just absolutely beautiful, guys. We'll go ahead and open up the gas cap here. I love to do that to be able to show you how clean it is in there. All that looks brand new as well. One thing that this truck has, it does have a staggered stance, and it has a 22-inch American Racing torque thrust wheel out back as well. If you look at the trim here around the fender, it's in excellent condition. Looks really good. Definitely breaks up all the red and gives it a really nice look. As we work our way around the back here, you've got a nice clean chrome bumper. You do have the trim back here on the tailgate that's in good condition with Chevrolet over there on the right-hand side. Let me go ahead and show you the bed here. The bed has been professionally rhino lined and it's been color matched to the truck. And guys, this looks really sharp. And the cool thing about this is you can still use it as a truck. You can throw your chairs back there for a cruise in. You ain't gotta worry about it scratching up the paint. You can put your cooler back there with waters, maybe some adult beverages, whatever you like. But this truck is ready to cruise or do some work if you want. Absolutely beautiful. Tail lights are in great condition. These do have LED bulbs and LED backup lights, so you'll be able to see when you're going down the road. Everybody can see your brake lights, and when you're in reverse, you'll be able to see what's behind you. But overall, just a beautiful truck, guys. We do not see this one lasting long. It's a great color combination, red on red. But with that being said, let's go ahead and check out this 350 under the hood. All right, guys, let's check out the 350 under the hood. You've got some upgraded valve covers here. You've got a matching air breather. As you notice, you do have an upgraded AC compressor here. Ice cold AC, it blows, it'll freeze you out. You've got a brand new battery. Got an Edelbrock carburetor on this truck. Power brakes. Overall, just a really clean engine bay. As you look here, you do have the brand new hood blanket here, is what they call them. Really clean, brand new, super nice. Overall, just a really nice, clean truck that's had a frame-up restoration. And this truck runs really good and has a great sound to it as well. But with that being said, let's go ahead and move to the interior and see what it's got to offer. All right, guys, we're in the interior of this 1986 Silverado. And the Silverado package gets you everything. It's fully loaded. You get power locks, power windows. You get all the premium things on the interior like tilt wheel. This truck does come with a 700R transmission, so you do get the overdrive, so it's perfect for cruising on the interstate. Ice cold AC. It's actually a vintage air kit that's been put in this truck. Overall, really nice. The door panels are brand new and super clean. Like I said, this is red on red. And as you notice, this bench seat is not the stock bench seat. This is a upgraded seat. We do not know the brand, but it's very comfortable. It's plush. It's not too soft to where you're bouncing around, but it's not so stiff that it hurts your butt when you're riding. You can definitely take this on a road trip and be comfortable. Another really cool thing, if Justin will kind of come in here, this truck has some Dakota digital gauges. Definitely a really nice upgrade. Still looks like the classic gauges, but with a little bit of touch of modern technology. You do have a really nice Kenwood radio in here that's Bluetooth and has the auxiliary port there, so you can plug your phone up to it. You do have the dual tanks. Both your dual tanks do work. Overall, just a really nice interior. Headliner's in great condition as well. Another thing I like is this classic Chevrolet 3-spoke steering wheel. It just fits the truck, and it's red as well, so it matches the interior. You do have a cup holder down here on the floorboard. You can move it wherever you would like. I've used these before. Once you put a drink in there, it does stay pretty stationary as long as you're not taking any crazy turns. But overall, just a really clean truck. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take this one for a drive. All right, guys, we're out in the 86 Silverado taking it for a nice little test drive on this beautiful day in Atlanta. And guys, man, this truck, it just doesn't get any nicer than this. The steering's nice and tight on it. The brakes feel nice and firm. You've got plenty of power with this 350 V8. I love the Dakota digital gauges. Everything in this truck is brand new on the interior as well as the exterior. Just a super nice truck. AC blows super cold. You got the nice Kenwood head unit here that powers all the speakers inside this cab. And this seat, guys, is absolutely comfortable, super nice. I could take a long road trip in this to go to C10 Nationals or any of the C10 truck shows that they have around here in the South. Absolutely nice. The power windows work as they should. Your power door locks work as well. Show you that works. Overall, just a awesome truck that's in excellent condition. This is a truck, guys, that you can buy and you don't have to do anything to it but drive it and enjoy it. There's nothing to be done to this truck. You just need to buy it and enjoy it. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and head back to the shop and put this one up on the lift, and I'll show you the underside. All right, guys, we're underneath the 86 Silverado. Let's start up front. Your core support looks nice and good there. It doesn't look like there's any damage. You do have a nice sway bar here to keep the truck nice and planted. Looks like you have some newer bushings here for the sway bar. Your control arm bushings, your ball joints, your shocks, everything looked to be in good condition up front. Check out the chrome oil pan that you have here on the 350. Super cool, looks good. You do have dual exhaust coming from the manifolds back. It is true dual all the way back. You got the 700 R4 transmission, so you do have that overdrive that helps you on the interstate there. Frame and everything looks nice and clean on the truck. All your cab bushings are in good shape. Take a look at them. They're not dry rotted or anything. They look to be really nice. It's a big plus for this truck. Like I said, this truck was frame up restored, but it's overall in really, really good condition. The frame looks nice. You do have dual tanks on this truck, and both tanks do work. Mufflers look to be in good condition. As we work our way back to the rear, this truck has been C-notched. A lot of my customers ask what a C-notch is, so I'm gonna explain this real quick for you. So all the kits you get, like Beltec, McGreddy, any of the ones that make lowering kits for these trucks, any truck for that fact, they all come with the C-notch in the back. And what that does is it basically keeps you from hitting the stock bump stop. So they actually notch the frame. It comes with a nice thick brace that bolts or welds onto the frame. It doesn't compromise the frame or anything. It's actually a lot stronger than the factory frame. And it just basically gives room for the axle to go up there without hitting the bump stop. You do have new shocks here. Your dual exhaust runs out the back and comes out on each side of the truck here, which is a cool little touch. Your leaf springs are nice and clean, got a fresh coat of black paint on there. I don't see any axle seals leaking. You do have drums out back here. Overall, guys, this truck is absolutely beautiful, and I do not see this truck lasting long. If you guys are interested, give me or my partner Justin a call at 770-738-7111, or you can go to collectiblemotorcarofatlanta.com and look up this truck there. We have the description and all the pictures, and you can even make an offer on our website on this beautiful truck. But with that being said, catch you on the next one.